back at Reading train station.
Gonna do some rail fanning. Trackside with Omari. Peace. We're in Reading, Massachusetts. It's a very nice day out. A little windy, but we'll take it. We got a rainstorm last night, so we'll take this today. Looks like they're having some type of community day with some music playing. Sounds cool. We got this dude jamming along.
Thank you very much. Appreciate y'all coming up.
And we appreciate you too.
And I think we'll see you next year.
This way is heading right towards Boston.
Nice.
This way is coming from Haverhill. Oh, we got some horns.